What is up, everyone? It's Ryan living in Cambodia, making videos so you can see what it's like to live in the Kingdom of Wonder. And here I am, squatting in a parking garage. I'm actually trying to fix my moto. We've got burnt out brake light. So I got these lights turning on. These are the signals. They're working. But no brake lights. So I actually took it in and tried to get it fixed, and the guy told me, no, we don't have this type of light. This is an LED light. It's rare in Cambodia, I guess. And I was like, they need brake lights. No, you don't need. Well, what about the police?
Like, they don't care.
What about people crashing into the back of me?
Just be careful.
I've decided that I do need brake lights, so I'm gonna try to fix it. I think this just pops out, yeah. So basically I just need to find that somewhere. I don't know. I have no idea. Apparently it's tough to find in Cambodia, but that's what I'm doing today. And I want to talk about scooters. I want to talk about the maintenance of them, how cheap it is, and all that. So the motorcycle part section in the Russian market would be the first stop. Let me pack this back up. We'll hit the road. We'll hit the Russian market. All right, here we go. Deep into the Russian market, Doltompong market. Headed to the motorbike part section. Yeah.
Hi.
Hello. I need replacement. This is my brake light.
Oh, red light.
Yeah, for a
How many
Ablad. 12 volt, 3 watt.
I have 6 volt.
You have 6 watt?
Yeah,
Is it same?
the same.
It's okay. We'll work on
Yeah. Your partner.
how much? 1 man.
3,000 here for one.
Yeah. Okay, I'll try.
Same size as you.
Same. I don't know. It's the same. It's different.
Yeah, different.
It
Same.
will work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ok.
I'll trust you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'll continue. Well, that was either really easy or not gonna work at all. Let's see. Let's try to get a second opinion on this. Kabong, I need this. You don't have? You have one? Moi. This is such a cool shop. There's some cool in here, actually. Ah, yeah. Exactly the same. Okay. 1 man? 2,000. That's even cheaper. Okay, that one's definitely the exact same, so I think we're golden here. I got to wonder if the one will work. Maybe I'll try it just to see if he was bullshitting me. It happens. So let's talk a little bit about the cost of having a motorcycle. Oil changes every 1,000 kilometers or so. That's about $5. I got a new battery put in just recently. It was kind of a bummer because I was stuck at the market and I couldn't get the bike started. So there was a guy, a mechanic, but he was like one of the guys who fills up air and tires. So they generally have some mechanical skills, but they don't have the whole setup. But he knew what it was right away. He jumped on his scooter, drove off, came back with the battery, had it installed. The whole thing took maybe like 5 minutes. It was real quick. And it was $12.50, a new battery for a scooter. Just where I parked. Oh, here I am. Yeah, the scooter runs pretty flawlessly. And there's a lot of kilometers on it. Actually, just recently. Check it out. About to go to 10,000. We did it, folks. What else have I had done on this guy? Brakes, $10. So I kind of enjoy the mechanic life. I enjoy kind of sitting down and watching the guys work and just getting a nice coffee, just getting tires, changed. And oh yeah, I forgot to mention tires. Tires, actually I've had pretty good luck with my tire tubes. If you get a flat, they'll usually patch up the hole, or they'll get you a new tube if there's a lot of holes in the tube. I had about 6 holes. I think I was just like, I think it's time for a new tube, and that cost maybe $10 to do. The patch jobs are even cheaper. I haven't got any patch jobs actually, but that's probably the most common problem, and you'll see guys parked all over the place. So this is a pretty basic one. There's air compressor right here. Is it an air compressor? Compresses air? I don't know. But yeah, they'll fix tires there. What is this guy scooping out stuff with? Guy's cleaning Shit Creek up with an old fan rack attached to a bamboo pole. Alright, let's try see if this thing fits. Not fitting there. Come on, baby. Damn it. Still not working. Well, unfortunately, that did not work. I tried to change the light, no success, and I tried to go up and down where all the bike mechanics are and pop into one, show them the light, brakes, no work, light, no, a new light, okay. As soon as they found out it's a new light, no, can't do it. I went to like 4 or 5 of them, and they were all just immediately, no, can't do it. So, next step, I guess, is to... It's hard because mechanics don't usually speak English. The guy I usually go to, he said something about the LED, can't fix it here, Cambodia, blah, blah, blah. I thought he just meant he couldn't get the light, but obviously it's a bigger problem than that. So I think my next strategy will have to be to go on Facebook, go to the forums there. I think I'm part of some Motorcycles in Cambodia Facebook group. I guess I'll just make a post there and wait for the replies. Get some gasoline, and I can show you guys just how cheap it is to get gas. I get it maybe once or twice a month, not that much. Hello, can you get full? Gold. So I always get gold because it's not that much more. $1.23 versus, I don't know. But keeps the bike running healthy. It likes it. The bike really appreciates it. Tells me all the time. Boom, that's it. $2.75. Maybe full tank would be about $3. Welcome. Away we go. Alright, bongs and bongettes. I have got the results back from the Facebook post. A couple of decent responses, but the one that stood out to me most was it was go to the Honda dealership, which has a garage over by Chipmunk. And now I'm looking for the Honda dealership. There it is. Look at that big sign, Honda. Pff, easy, baby. Just yeah, I have a. Sorry, I got all kinds of stuff on me here. My brake lights. No work, but it's not the bulb. But I changed this and it's still no good. Oh, welcome. This garage is pretty nice. So, yeah. Working. Why isn't it working before? What the heck? How come nobody can fix this? And then these guys come in and just... They know the trick. They know the trick. Wait, where's the microphone? I've been talking talking into the microphone, and I realized I took the microphone off because it was attached to my helmet. But yeah, it looks like they fixed it in a matter of seconds. Check it out, new PCX, pretty sharp. This Dreams are beautiful, and these things would last for a millennium. And these guys are still working on my bike. It's been 5 more minutes. Brakes are fixed, but he just keeps going. I don't know. I told him, tell me how much it's gonna cost before you do anything. And he said, yeah. Oh, he's coming in with something. Oh, it's air filter? $10 you fix. Okay.
Change.
Sure. Okay. Okay, so some kind of air filter. Just gonna change it. $10. I think it's cheaper at my normal mechanic to get it. I don't really know. I don't know anything about air filters, but I'm gonna let them do it. Because a lot of people don't have a ton of money here, they just do whatever maintenance they need to keep the bike on the road. So something like an air filter, not a priority. But, you know, if I want this bike to last longer, maybe I should be taking care of that stuff more. I guess a garage like this is a little bit more about maintaining the bike for longevity than a small garage would be over in TTP. Okay, all done. Total cost, $10. So, yeah, $10. Brake lights fixed. Air filter changed. A couple of other things they cleaned up on it. Pretty good deal. Only one thing left to do as far as motorcycle maintenance goes. So let's go do that now. Alright, last step to motorcycle maintenance. Got to get that thing clean. Gets dirty out in the city, so you got to get that bike washed quite often. More than I put gas in it, probably, to be honest with you. This is a good spot to do it. TGP. These guys take good care of the bike, do a good job. Here's the price list. Cost me $6,000, small motorbike. That's it. That's it for this video. So thanks for watching. That's motorcycle maintenance in Cambodia. Pretty cheap. Not too much work really. These scooters are so amazing that they can just go through anything. They last forever. High quality item. I just don't see why people aren't driving scooters everywhere in the world all times. I guess the winter kind of makes that difficult, but honestly it's one of the reasons I love living in Cambodia is that I can just rely on scooter to get around, and it's so cheap and a fun way to drive as well. A little dangerous, but maybe that's for another video. Alright, thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care, comb your hair, I'm out.
Don't match up, no love.